Hey guys, let's see how we can make a digital magazine cover in Canva. First, go to templates and type digital magazine in the search bar. Once you have written it, hit enter or click the arrow icon. So let's click arrow. You will see a variety of templates appear. Some are free and the others are available with Canva Pro. Let's look for a free template. Okay, I like this one. So let's select it and click customize this template. Once you click, it will open in an editable mode where you can modify everything as you like. So I'm going to make this one about cars. So now let's start by changing the pictures. Go to uploads to use your own photos or go to elements and search for images. I'll type cars, then go to photos and let me just see, scroll down a bit. Okay, I like this one. Click the picture and drag it. You can see it just adjusted automatically. Now that I have added my images, I want to change the background color. Click on the page, then go to background color. Canva will show color suggestion based on your images. I'm going for a darker tone. Let's see which one fits. Okay. I like this one. So now next, let's edit the text. Let me just zoom in a bit and then double click the text and type something related to cars. So I'm gonna write beyond the roads, which is obviously, related to cars. And then here I'm gonna write speed and design. So, it can give an essence of cars and related to it. So, yeah. Now let's change the font colors to make something stand out. To select multiple text boxes, hold shift and click on each one, then change the color. I'm choosing yellow, it looks bold and eye-catching. For the other text, I'll pick a color that matches the image tones. Okay, now this one looks nice. Now select this and change the color. So now let's change the color of this speed as well. I'm gonna select the red color and finally zoom out and check the overall look. And there you go, our digital magazine cover is ready.